Okay, I'm dead. As you can clearly see with my embarrassing face. It's ya girl. Sadly, Imogen, back with another video. But you know, I prefer when people call me Morgan or Morgs because some people don't know how to pronounce my name. Let's see. You see this? These are gifts that nice people have sent me for in great quality mail time. So I'm just gonna open this. I suppose this one is gonna be a hair. Thank you for the pretty gamer girl, cause that's literally me, but except I'm not pretty. What's this black one? Pretty ponytail. I haven't got many black hairs, so thank you. Thank you! I think that's a rare, like, yeah, it's a rare, so thank you. As expecting that, why do people keep on giving me rares? She gave me rares. So I'm just gonna like say send gifts for mail time rec. Thank you so much for this. I love how like this one specific girly girl person gave me literally like things that I think are ultras. I mean, I know that one is a level up for sure, and I think like the ponytails are like I think they were a Christmas wear and they got exposed. And I actually don't plan on using my voice for this video. I was gonna use this. So yeah, I do look today. I'm just gonna like redo this, so don't mind me. And that hair that she sent is like Christmas themed, so whatever, I'm just gonna wear it. If I can find it. Everybody gets so jealous of me, like, and I don't even need to go out. Like, they literally look through my clothes and make me look, and they're like, I wish I was you. And every time I'm like, what? No, you don't want to be me. Because like they just say because of the items amount I have, but it actually makes it harder. Like most people don't know that. Every single time you have more items, it just makes it harder to get through your closet and find a really good hair that you've been waiting to wear for 1,000 years. I have lots of Miss Goalies, and I will get that. Okay, I do, but nobody really cares. Except, honestly. Oh, and did you know that somebody has a staph infection? And do you know what a staph infection can do to you? It can kill you. What it means if it can kill you, it could kill me. And then my sisters, and then I was looking at photos of it since I have it. It's just like, and then she looked at the screen and saw what I was switching up. And she was like, don't look at that. It's making me nervous. And I wasn't nervous. That's what I hate. People always say like, oh, look at that. That's bad. Like I'm gonna have to close this video. It's really just like I'm gonna do more time, but whatever. I use this fake accent and hope some nobody notices. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but Yes, this is my left hand, and it looks like it's on my right. But then, of course, this is enough of being weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna have an okay day. So, like, I was